Your choices shapes your future. Yung what you eat, what you think, what you feel, yan talaga yung makakapagpa-determine kung magiging sino tayo in the future. At sabi nila, what you are is a summary of your decisions and choices in life. So kung ano man yung katayuan natin sa buhay ngayon, kung asan man tayo ngayon, it's because of our decisions and our choices. Kaya minsan we just need to be accountable and self-aware na kung ano man yung decisions natin sa buhay natin, is tayo rin talaga ang may gawa. Sometimes it will take a lot from us para may ma-realize yun or matanggap na talagang what we are the captain of our destiny. Kaya dapat talaga pag mga major decisions din natin in life, talagang dapat pinag-iisipan natin ang mabuti. Kasi minsan yung nag-iisang decision na yun, maaaring magbago, makapagpabago ng buhay natin. Kaya kailangan mas maging tayo, lagi tayong nag-iisip na mabuti, and always pray for guidance and clarity. Again, it's best to make the right choices. Do the right choices now.